If you're looking to generate invoices with Folk CRM, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how easy it is to create and manage invoices with this powerful tool. Perfect for anyone new to Folk CRM. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage Folk CRM for invoicing and more. So stick with me until the end, and I'll also share an exclusive bonus you don't want to miss. Let's dive straight into how to generate invoices with Folk CRM. First off, the platform is designed to simplify your business processes, and invoicing is one of the key features that make it stand out. Whether you're a freelancer or managing a growing business, Folk CRM allows you to create professional invoices quickly and efficiently. Start by logging into your Folk CRM account. If you haven't already, you can sign up for a free trial through the first link below, and I'll also give you some exclusive bonuses. Once you're in, navigate to the Invoices section from the main dashboard. This is where all your invoicing tasks will be managed. Folk CRM's interface is straightforward, so you won't get lost. To create an invoice, click on the New Invoice button. This will bring up a simple form where you can input your client's details, the services provided, the amounts, and any applicable taxes. You can customize the invoice with your company logo, branding colors, and add a personalized message to your clients. Perfect for maintaining a professional appearance. Folk CRM allows you to save frequently used services or products, which can save you a ton of time when generating invoices in the future. You can also set up recurring invoices for clients who need to be billed regularly, making it ideal for subscription-based businesses or long-term contracts. This feature will really streamline your workflow and help reduce the need for manual input. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, Folk CRM lets you preview your invoice before sending it. This ensures that everything looks perfect and there are no errors. You can then choose to either email the invoice directly to your client or download it as a PDF to send manually. Folk CRM also tracks the status of your invoices, so you'll know if they've been sent, viewed, or paid. In addition to invoicing, Folk CRM integrates seamlessly with your other business processes. It syncs with your contacts, emails, and tasks, so you can easily follow up on unpaid invoices or add notes about your clients. If you're using Folk CRM for more than just invoicing, these integrations are a huge time saver, letting you handle everything in one place. And here's a tip. If you need more advanced invoicing features, such as setting up custom fields, creating detailed reports, or automating follow-up reminders for overdue payments, Folk CRM offers those tools too. With just a few clicks, you can manage your invoicing process end-to-end, all while staying organized and efficient. Remember, this software can be used completely for free, and by clicking the link below, you'll get access to an extended trial and exclusive bonuses that will give you even more value. So, to wrap it up, generating invoices with Folk CRM is simple and efficient. Whether you need one-off invoices, recurring billing, or even automation, this platform has got you covered. Make sure to check the first link in the description to start your free trial and unlock those bonus features. Don't forget, you'll have full access to everything Folk CRM offers, including invoicing, client management, and more, all in one place. Get started today and make your invoicing process a breeze.